Can low batteries cause thermostat problems? Yes, low batteries can make a thermostat act strange, stop responding, or even cause the heating and cooling system to turn on and off the wrong way. When the batteries in a thermostat get weak, the screen may go blank, the temperature may be wrong, or the buttons may not work right. That happens because many thermostats need steady power to remember your settings and talk to the heating and cooling system. If the power drops too low, the thermostat can forget what temperature you wanted or send a weak signal. Some thermostats also use the batteries for backup, so even if the home has regular power, low batteries can still cause trouble. A confusing thing many people do not know is that a thermostat can sometimes seem fine for a while before the batteries finally fail, so the problem may come and go. That is why a thermostat can make the house feel too hot, too cold, or change temperatures by itself. The easiest thing to do is replace the batteries as soon as you see a low battery warning and use the exact battery type the thermostat maker recommends. If the problem keeps happening after new batteries, then the issue may be wiring, dust, or the thermostat itself. Checking the batteries first can save a lot of time because it is one of the simplest causes to rule out. One common mistake is waiting until the thermostat is completely dead, because by then the system may already have lost settings and comfort. A quick fix is to change the batteries as soon as the warning appears, not later. Another mistake is using old or mixed batteries, which can cause weak power and odd behavior. It is better to install a fresh matching set from the same package. People also think every thermostat problem means the whole heating or cooling system is broken, but sometimes the thermostat just needs a battery change or a reset. If new batteries do not help, look for loose wires, a dirty thermostat, or a unit that is too old to work well. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.